Hi everybody. In our channel Alpha Mom and Beta Son, we are starting a new set of videos and in the topic Vedic mathematics. So basically, why do we need Vedic mathematics is that we can improve our calculating speed drastically by learning the Vedic mathematics techniques. Unlike fast mathematics or unlike abacus, Vedic mathematics has a logic behind every sutra that is being taught. Okay, so Veda means knowledge. Vedic mathematics, by the term Vedic mathematics, we mean max knowledge, the knowledge in the particular subject, mathematics. So I'm going to be posting a set of videos, one concept in one particular video. We are planning to give some sample problems also, which you can work it out and find out the answer. And so let's go for the today's topic, which is going to be completing the whole and 10-point circle. Okay, for today's concept, completing the whole and 10-point circle. So it is based on the Vedic Math Sutra, one more than one before, which is called as Ekatikena Purvenam in Sanskrit. Ekatikena Purvenam means one more than one before. We have got our entire number system from this sutra only. One more than one before. By this term, we mean if there is one, more than one is two. One more than two is 3. 1 more than 3 is 4. Likewise, we have to proceed to the number system. 1 more than 8 is 9. They had a stop there. And when 0 was discovered, we started increasing the numbers from 10 and above. So there is one particular concept called base numbers. What is it called? Base numbers. So what is a base number? Any number that has a 1 and is followed by a 0 is a base number, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So these are all called as the base numbers or the whole numbers. Working with these numbers are easy when compared to working with the other numbers such as 1 to 9. So for example, 8 9s are, we might think for a while and then give the answer. Okay, but 8 tens are 80. We can quickly process the calculations when the base numbers are there in the sums. That is why we are moving towards finding the whole numbers or base numbers. So working with 10 is easy when compared to working with 9 or 8 or 7. So how do we do this? Completing the whole and 10-point circle. So let me explain what is a 10-point circle. The figure that you see here is a 10-point circle. So a second. Excuse me. So this 10-point circle can also be shown like this. So what happens in this 10-point circle? 10, what are the possibilities to achieve this 10? 9 plus 1 is 10. The same way, the same circle only, but we are drawing lines and connecting the numbers that add up to 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. We have to keep this particular set in mind. Why do we have to do that? If we keep this in mind, then the calculations come very, very handy. We can do the addition sums very quickly. So just these addition facts have to be kept in mind. So this is a 10-point circle and this looks complete. One whole circle we have from 1 and it gets complete in 10. So 5 plus 5 is also 10. So we are going to work on problems with this particular 10-point circle. How? By completion or non-completion. by completion. If I say by completion, it means we have to get a number which has a 0. If you get a number like that, that means it's a complete number and you can work easily with that. So what is that called? Purnaapuranbyaam. Purana means complete. So Purnaapuranbyaam means we are trying to complete a number in order to work easily. So you will understand better when I start explaining with the examples. Okay, so what is our primary goal here? We have to look for zeros. We have to look for zeros, or we have to look for completion. Looking for zeros is nothing but looking for completion. The sutra name is by completion or non-completion. It is called Purnaapuranbyaam. We are looking for completion. If I say always look for completion, it means always look for zeros. How can we get a number? Say, for example, here we have 26 plus 44. So if I take this number 26, how to make this a complete number? By just separating it, 20 plus 6. So this has become a complete number now because we have a 0 here. So it has become a complete number or a whole number. So similarly, we have another number here, 26 plus 44. So 44, how do we make it a complete number? By writing it as 44, by writing it as 40 plus 4. So 20 plus 40 is 60 and 6 plus 4. It is an addition fact that we already saw. What is that called? 6 plus 4 is 10. So 60 plus 10 is 70. So we have got the answer. Instead of doing this, 26 plus 44, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry over, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. Instead of doing this, just quickly check the units place. So you will have 6 plus 4 is 10. So 20 plus 40 plus 10 is 70. That's how we do it. So the next sum that we have here is 37 plus 23. 7, the 7 from here has come here, 3 from here has come here, 30 and 20. So 7 plus 3 is quickly 10 plus 30 plus 20. So the answer is 60. We'll work on more sums. So here the next sum is 72 plus 18. 72. So here 70 plus 2, 18 is 10 plus 8. So 8 plus 2 is again 10. So 70 plus 10 plus 10, which is going to be 90. Next sum. We are seeing 5 examples just to get ourselves more comfortable with the concept. So 49 plus 21. Let's quickly look at the unit places. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 40 plus 10 plus 20 is going to be 70. Next sum, 25 plus 55. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So 20 plus 10 plus 50 is nothing but 80. So this holds the same for 3-digit number or 5-digit number or any number. Okay. So let's go to the next example, which is going to be a 3-digit number. So we are seeing nothing but a 3-digit number. So let me work this out for you. 424 plus 366. So how can we split this out? 420. Okay. So this 4 and 6 is nothing but a 10. So 420 plus 10 plus 360. So 420 plus 10 is 430 plus 360 is nothing but 790. 4 plus 3 is 7. 9, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3 is 9, and then a 0. Now the next sum, 241 plus 659. What do we get here? 1 plus 9 is immediately 10. So add the 10 to 240. What will be the answer? 250 plus 650 is nothing but 900. So if this 50 goes here, this becomes 300. 300 plus 600 is easily 900. So the next sum that we have here is 643 plus 757. So what happens? 640. 3 plus 7 becomes 10. So 650 plus 750. Now 50 plus 50 again becomes 100. So 700 plus 700 is nothing but 1400. Are we clear? So that was our last example for the day. So can we actually take down some sums and work it ourselves? We can do that, right? So let's quickly take 5 sums alone. 2 in 2-digit number and 3 in 3-digit number. So for practice, let's take sums like this. 33 plus 57 equals. Next sum can be 18 plus 42. Next sum can be 225 plus 145. Okay, so 116 plus 134. So you can ask me like, is this the only way to do addition? There are a lot more ways and we'll be seeing each and every one of them in the days to come. 218 plus 312. Try working out these sums and you will see the drastic improvement in the addition speed. You can time up yourself. You can actually monitor yourself with a time recording and you can see the difference, the lesser time that these kind of sums take. You can work this out very quickly when compared to the normal sums, normal way, the carrying way. You can get answers very, very quickly. Okay, so this is for today. We'll meet in the next